Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF2SS. Serial number 1107523. This machine was new in 2013 and we are gonna run her for you. Machine has the Haas control with 4-axis capability. The machine has on it a Haas 4th axis 5C collar closer. Right now he's running the spindle. 2,000 RPM? 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 taper. You have a side mount tool changer with 24 tool capacity. 6,000 RPM. The table size is 36 by 14 with 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. That's 10,000 RPM. Very quiet machine. Again, this is original paint. And doing a tool change. And it has a lot of control options. It's got rigid tapping, rotation and scaling, quick code, spindle orientation, high-speed machining, user-defined macros. It's DNC enabled. It's got advanced tool management and intuitive part programming. Also, the machine does have the Renishaw intuitive probing system, or the whips. He's moving the X-axis. You have telescopic weight covers. That's your Y. That's the 5C, 4th axis. And your Z axis. All axes are quiet. We also have the factory shipping bracket for when it goes out. We do a tool change? Oh, we did a tool change. Okay, so you've seen the tool change, you've seen the 4th axis go, you've seen the other 3 axes, you've seen the spindle go. Hey, thank you for watching our video.